Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can delete a component inside of Figma. Okay, so the first step is actually, I'm going to show you how to create a component by right clicking into my button here. And I'm just going to go to create a component here. Okay, which you can also do by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus K. Now, this is useful because you can directly import this component that we just created by going into assets and by just putting it here. Okay. The issue here is that this is going to be treated also as a component. Okay, so let's say that I want to treat this as a normal object, that I no longer want to use this as a component. So what I can do is I can go to the one that I just created, to the one that I just duplicated. I can right click it and I can click on detach instance. Okay, and what I can do now is I can delete my original component, and now I will only have this one, which is just a normal object. Okay, and if I go to assets now, as you can see, if I look for it, it's no longer there. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.